How to get CC subtitles automatically on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to turn on captions for every video without doing it manually each time. First, open the YouTube app. Tap U in the bottom right. After that, tap Settings. From there, scroll down and tap Captions. At this point, toggle on Always Show Captions. In the next step, go back and play any video to confirm subtitles now appear automatically. Following this, if you want to adjust caption style or language, tap Caption Appearance from that same page. Once done, adjust font size, color, or background style based on your preference. Keep in mind, not every video has captions available, so this setting only applies automatically to videos that already have subtitles enabled by the creator or auto-generated by YouTube. Finally, exit settings and play a video to confirm everything looks the way you set it. And that's it. If this guide helped you get CC subtitles automatically on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.